Mamata Banerjee's ministers' open threat on poll panel. Bengal ministers will break legs threat. Firhad Hakim says will break BJP and Election Commission's legs. He goes on to say that won't let CAA and SIR to be implemented in the state of West Bengal. So, TMC ministers' open threat on poll panel. Bengal Minister Firhad Hakim has given this will break legs threat to the BJP and to the Election Commission. He has said that he will break the legs of the BJP and the Election Commission if the Special Intensive Revision or the Citizenship Amendment Act are implemented in the state of West Bengal.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस के ओर से यहाँ पर जो ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग था उसमें हम लोग आए और मैं स्पष्ट किया हूँ हमारे पार्टी के तरफ से हम सब जो एक भी जेन्युइन वोटर का नाम अगर कटा तो हम लोग को एसआरआई का आप जितना भी करें उसका विरोध हम करेंगे। दूसरा जो सीआईए का नाम से जो कैंप हो रहा है ये इलेक्शन कमीशन और इनके गांठ-साठ में अगर हो रहा है तो इसका खिलाफ हम लोग जाएंगे, इसका खिलाफ हम लोग करेंगे। दरकार होने से उनका पांव तोड़ दिया जाएगा। जब तक ममता बनर्जी है बीजेपी का बाप का क्षमता नहीं है यहाँ पर एनआरसी करेंगे।
And we're now being joined by BJP's Rupa Ganguly on this story. Ms. Ganguly, a very good morning to you. A very shocking and open threat from West Bengal Minister Firhad Hakim to the BJP and to the Election Commission. He has said and threatened that he will break the legs of BJP and Election Commission if the Citizenship Amendment Act or the Special Intensive Revision are implemented in the state of West Bengal. Your reaction?
What it means that they can break the legs of government authority personnel. So you can imagine what kind of hooliganism is happening in this Bengal. When the leadership talks like that, they don't even care for a government officer's safety and security. So it is worrisome, number one. Number two, they are just creating a fear amongst people who will not understand a lot about this subject in detail. So it's very simple. The way they have been running the state for years, it is their practice. That's what they have been doing. Sometimes they talk absolutely rubbish and they divert people's attention from something very serious which is happening today. And it's so good. Mamata Banerjee herself asked for, election reviews many years ago. Every leadership, they ask for that. That this is a government procedure should have happened much before. I had raised a question in the parliament. Something was supposed to be done in 2021. It's long overdue. So we should be doing this. And who wants to stay in a country? You tell me, who wants to stay in a country where you know that your neighbor, there's somebody who's staying in the neighborhood, is not an Indian. He or she is holding voter ID from two countries. We are getting information from television every day that this person and that person is staying in this area in West Bengal or somewhere in Calcutta or Belagavi or everywhere, who have another passport, another identification ID card of Bangladesh. So am I not allowed to stay in my country fearlessly? Of course, I have a right to stay fearlessly. For that, whoever who is doing hooliganism will be stopped.
All right, Ms. Rupa Ganguly, thank you for speaking with India Today. So, Firhad Hakim, who is the West Bengal minister, has issued an open threat to the BJP and the Election Commission that he will break their legs if they implement CAA and Special Intensive Revision in the state of West Bengal. Let's listen in.
ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस के ओर से यहाँ पर जो ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग था उसमें हम लोग आए और मैं स्पष्ट किया हूँ हमारे पार्टी के तरफ से हम सब जो एक भी जेन्युइन वोटर का नाम अगर कटा तो हम लोग को एसआरआई का आप जितना भी करें उसका विरोध हम करेंगे। दूसरा जो सीआईए का नाम से जो कैंप हो रहा है ये इलेक्शन कमीशन और इनके गांठ-साठ में अगर हो रहा है तो इसका खिलाफ हम लोग जाएंगे, इसका खिलाफ हम लोग करेंगे। दरकार होने से उनका पांव तोड़ दिया जाएगा। जब तक ममता बनर्जी है, बीजेपी का बाप का क्षमता नहीं है यहाँ पर एनआरसी करें।